Hello everyone, in this video we are converting from other bases to base 10. Convert 140 base 5 to base 10. 140. Solution: power 0, power 1, power 2. 1 times 5 power 2 plus 4 times 5 power 1 plus 0 times 5 power 0. 1 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 0 times 1. 25 plus 20 plus 0 equals to 45 base 10. Convert 1 to 0 to 1 base 4 to base 10. Solution: 1 to 0 to 1 power 1, 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. 1 times 4 power 4 plus 2 times 4 power 3 plus 0 times 4 power 2 plus 2 times 4 power 1 plus 1 times 4 power 0. 1 times 2 4 256 plus 2 times 64 plus 0 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1. 256 plus 128 plus 0 plus 9 equals to 393 base 10. Convert 1111011 base 2 to base 10. Solution: 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 times 2 power 6 plus 1 times 2 power 5 plus 1 times 2 power 4 plus 1 times 2 power 3 plus 0 times 2 power 2 plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 0. 1 times 64 plus 1 times 32 plus 1 times 16 plus 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 1, 2, 3 base 10. Convert 114 base 11 to base 10. Solution 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2. 1 times 11 power 2 plus 1 times 11 power 1 plus 4 times 11 power 0. 1 times 120 plus 1 times 11 plus 4 times 1. 120 plus 11 plus 4 equals to 136 equals to 136 base 10.
Thank you for watching.